Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Before we start, please check your phone.
Is it in your hand right now?
Don't worry, you are not alone.
Today's topic is very real.
Very modern.
We will talk about using a smartphone wisely
This lesson will help you learn English.
and also help you improve your daily life.
Let's learn some easy words.
Please listen and repeat. Smartphone, a mobile phone with internet.
Screen time, time spent on the phone.
Notification, a message alert.
Focus, giving attention to one thing.
Distraction, something that breaks focus.
Balance, using something in a good way.
In the morning, I wake up.
I open my eyes slowly.
I hear my phone ring.
Alarm says, "Wake up."
I stop the alarm.
Then I check my phone.
Messages.
Notifications.
Sometimes I smile.
Sometimes I feel tired again.
Too much phone in the morning makes us lazy.
A fresh start is better.
A smartphone can help us learn.
I use my phone for English.
I watch English videos.
I listen to podcasts.
I use a dictionary app.
I learn new words every day.
This is good use.
Learning becomes easy.
But too much phone is a problem.
Eyes feel tired.
Head feels heavy.
Mind feels slow.
Time goes fast.
Work stays unfinished.
Let's talk about mealtime.
Many people eat with phone.
They look at the screen.
They forget the taste of food.
Family sits together.
But no one talks.
This is not healthy.
Food time is family time.
In the evening, I try something different.
I keep my phone away.
I go for a walk.
I breathe fresh air.
I meet people.
I feel relaxed.
Less phone.
More peace.
At night, phone use is dangerous.
Bright screen hurts eyes.
Brain stays active.
Sleep comes late.
So I stop using phone early.
I read a book.
I sleep on time.
Next day feels better.
Set a time limit.
Use phone for learning.
Avoid phone before sleep.
Use phone for learning.
Talk to people more.
Control the phone.
Don't let it control you. Repeat after me.
I use my phone wisely.
I limit my screen time.
I focus on my work.
I learn English daily. Now think honestly.
How many hours do you use your phone?
Is it useful?
Or is it wasting time?
Technology is powerful.
Use it with care.
Good habits.
Create a good life.
If you like this lesson,
Please like and share.
comment your phone habit.
Subscribe for more daily English learning.